Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody stop me. I keep playing with this contour with colors, and I kind of came up with a design from the other day. I did a 10-inch circle, and then I made a duplicate of it. I nudged it over 5 inches. Now I'm going to take a 5-inch square, and the reason I'm saying 5 inches, that way we can put it right there on that quadrant. And we are going to, well, what I should have done first, let me group this together. Let me group this together and make sure it's in the center of the page. And it wasn't, because that's going to really help you. Let's grab that 4-sided cross right there and put it right there on that quadrant. Now take your virtual segment delete key and delete all this. And you get this shape. So we're going to fill that in. We're going to take our ellipse and nudge them out of the way. I am going to left click, right click to have no fill. I'm going to Control D and duplicate it and then rotate it 90 degrees. And the easiest way I found, you can see a node right there. If you will get on that node right there, it will snap to the other node. Now we're going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and we're going to mirror it both ways. Let's move this out of the way, and we're going to grab that same node and have it snap right there. Doesn't look like we're in the center of the page, so I'm going to Control G to, well, doesn't really matter. Somehow I moved it. Well, when we created the new object. Now I'm going to take I'm going to use purple this time, but I'm going to not do this one because I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you that there's a problem. When we go to effects and contour, if we contour this one, we get that right there. If we contour this one, we get a total different, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a shape. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and select the 3 that work, that are all the same. And then we can group this together for just a second, rotate it 90 degrees. That put that bad one up top. I'm going to go up and go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, or Control U. Now I can grab this one and hit Apply, and they're all about equal, or they're all equal. Let me put a black background on it and make it really stand out. Go to Object, Order, back a page. Pretty cool design, but I'm more interested in contouring, contour with colors. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.